If you haven't used them before, you'll see this arrow along the edge of your panel display. That's also found in exactly the same spot on the opposite side. If you touch that arrow, it will open a sidebar with some useful tools that we're going to talk about. The first one up here is a back arrow. That will take you back to whatever application you were last using on the panel. So if you're switching between tasks quickly, that's a great way to do it. The other button here, that green circle, is your home button. If you press that from anywhere on the panel, you'll go right back to this home screen. So you'll always have a way to get back here. This works from any input source as well.